Hi, I'm Scott Harris from Brown Harris Stevens. We are going to take a virtual tour of 159 West 118th Street, apartment 4H, which is also known as the Moralino. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment that is set up just about as efficiently as you can have a 3-bedroom. But all 3 bedrooms are relatively equivalent in size, where the master bedroom has its own bath. Living room is great. The ceiling height is quite extraordinary. It's almost 10-foot ceilings, if not slightly higher. And you have an open kitchen for entertaining that we're going to take a quick look around at. Great storage. They're really not even floor to, it would be crazy for the storage to go to the ceiling because the ceilings are so high. This is the 2nd bedroom. We'll take a quick peek at what they use as an office, which is a 3rd bedroom. Again, the ceiling height is amazing. Each bedroom has a good sized closet. And this was a pre-war building that was entirely reconceived. You can see the little courtyards, the little shafts of air there. Again, you see the exposed brick. It's a really cute apartment that's in perfect condition, move-in shape, hardwood floors. The bathrooms have marble tiles, marble and stone tiling. We're going to take a quick look here at the master bedroom closet. These are all fitted out with container store and, as you can see, alpha shelving. Here's your master bath, windowed bath. All in very good condition. The apartment also has central air conditioning, not through the wall, but proper central air, which is unusual in a pre-war building and something that we definitely want to note. The big selling feature beyond the apartment, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths at this amazing price, is that you have amenities that you usually don't find in a building of this size. You have this amazing roof deck. You can see all the way to Midtown. And you have a children's playroom, a gym, and much more. To learn more, please do be in touch. We'd love to schedule a virtual tour for you, whether you're looking to buy or to rent. Thank you.